Welcome back to Android Tutorials and our new playlist of the text scanner app in Android Studio by Android Tutorials. And in this application, we are going to take the images from the device or take a photo from the camera and scan that code through one method and scraping the text from it. So we are saying this app as text scanner app. So in this application we are going to start our first video without wasting time. So first of all, I had created my Android Studio project by simply splash by writing that splash screen as a main activity and created one new activity of dashboard. Let me show you how I had added this. So right click on the package name and then click on new, come to activity and empty activity. Here you have to give your name as a dashboard activity and then click on create. So this will create one file in the layout file and another will be in the Java. And I had renamed the file of our splash screen, so main activity, to splash screen. So to do that, right click on the activity and then click on rename and then rename your file. So I had implemented this much and added one logo by right clicking on the drawable folder, then go to new vector assets and here I had find search and you will find that logo appear here. You can see that here it is. So I had implemented this much things. Now beginning to our video, we are going to create the splash screen for our text scanner app. So to create splash screen, first we have to create one gradient as a background. So right click on drawable, then new drawable resource file and file name will be gradient and root element will be gradient or shape sector. So okay, after that we are going to change this sector to shape and add one gradient to it. So gradient and the angle of that gradient will be 90 degree, not 90, 180 degree. So first write angle which will be 90 degree and after that we are going to write start color. So I had written my colors code. So F12711. So this will not come like this. We have to add one hashtag to here. So here is our first color and second color will be end color. So end color I had written as hashtag F5A any flare gradient. So this is our first gradient or we can say background. So let me change the start color to end color and our end color will be start color. So we will get this type of gradient and now we are going to set this gradient to our splash screen background. So here write one attribute that name is background and then gradient. So here you can see that we got our gradient. Now implement the things that we have to add in our splash screen. So first is image view. So image view will be width will be match wrap content and its height also wrap content. Then assign its id. Its id will be logo and give its source. So source is logo as I already shown you, and here is that logo. So instead of this giving fix, we are going to give some height and width. So this much not, let's adjust by here. So this is the benefit of the vector assets. So you can see that this much long it becomes without scratching. So now let's give its fixed size to 325 dp and height also 325 dp. So here we had given the fixed size, and now give its constraints. So first constraints will be top, second constraint will be so 325 dp and height also 325 dp. After give it constraint, so adding constraint to our logo, and then give some margin to it. So I had given margin of 140 dp. So you can see that this type of image. Now we are going to add some text view to our application. So text view, its width will be match parent, and height will be web content, and give its text is text scanner app, and then give its size. So size will be 54 sp, not 54 sp but 48 sp. Yeah, 48 sp, it adjusts perfect. Now we are going to align it to center. So align text alignment to center, and then give its color. So text color will be Android color white, and to give its font family I will tell you later in this video. So first give alignment to our text view, and then give some margin. So here I had given 36 dp as a margin, and then copy this full text view and paste below that, and instead of this remove all the constraint and change that text to your credit that you have to make. So by Android tutorials, and add /n. So this will separate two lines, and now give constraint to this. So this will be below to our text scanner app, and reduce its size to 42 sp. So this will become shorter. Now come on design part, and in design part we have to add the font family. So find font family in this attribute place. So here it is font family. So here we are going to use the font family of this type. Here it is, and then click on OK. After this will be implemented in our Android application, and now give that font family to our text. So here you can see that here is it is. So after giving, we have to reduce its size. So instead of text scanner app, we are going to write text scanner only. So this will adjust in our application. Now we have to come in by Android tutorials, and here we have to change a font family again. So give it same font family. So after that we have to write the animations for this folders. So first give the ID. So our text can, and this will be, so click on this refractor, continue, and then give ID to our second text view is a credit, and then again press, no, it's automatically operated. Now here it is showing some yellow warning, so we have to implement that. So click on that logo, and you will find all the details about that. Now add some margin, and give credit margin, and align its margin. Now we are going to create the animation for our application. So to create animation, right click on res folder, new, and Android resource file, then give a name as top underscore animation, and remove the resource type from value to animation. So this will not come like that, so we have to implement first directory. So right click on that and new directory, and write anim. So now right click on anim, create new animation resource file, and now write file or top animation. So here we had created our top animation. So press OK, then write some code here, or we can say our animation. So translate from top, from X delta it is 0%, and from Y delta it is minus 50%. Now give its duration. So Android, and instead of 2 delta we have to write duration is equal to 15 or 2000, means 2 seconds. Now close this, and write alpha. From alpha will be 1.0, and 2 alpha will be 0.1. So after we are going to give it duration, and duration attribute we have to write manually. So copy that and paste, and then close that. So here we have created our top animation. Now create bottom animation. So again right click on anim, new animation resource file, and then write bottom animation. After click on OK, Then copy this full code and paste in bottom animation and change this duration to 1500 and in alpha also, and in top animation also. Don't change this translate. After that we have created our animations. Now it's time to implement it in our splash screen. So here we have to cast all the animations and text view. So first write text view. So there are two text view. First is title and second is credit, and after that create image view. So image view is logo and animation, that is top anim and bottom anim. Alt enter to remove that error and cast all the text view and images. So logo is equal to find view by id r dot id dot logo, and then press Ctrl D to duplicate it and remove that logo to title, and then copy title and paste instead of this id, and instead of this logo write credit and logo to credit. So here we had casted our things. Now animation, we have to write animations. So first animation will be animation, not animation utils will come. So animation utils. After that we have to write that animation. So top anim is equal to animation utils dot load animation from this to r dot anim dot top animation, and then duplicate it. So this will generate an error. It says we had provided the animation and required tab is animation utils. So change that field and we have to write animations only, not animation utils. So this will remove all the errors. Now instead of this top anim we have to write bottom anim and bottom animation. So after we are going to set that animation. So first write title dot set animation. Our first animation of title is bottom. Sorry, we had written button. So you have to adjust with it and then press Ctrl D and change from title to credit and give logo dot set animation, and logo animation will be top. After create new handler and dot post delayed and new runnable. Here we have to start the intent. Intent is equal to new intent from our splash screen activity or we can say write this to dashboard activity.class. So here it will generate an error. So splash screen activity dot this. Now error is gone. Now start activity and type intent and finish this. Here you have to write some seconds that you have to show that animation. So we are going to write that animation to 5000 means for 5 seconds. After close this animation, and now we have to remove that status bar and our toolbar. So to hide that we have to write two attribute, that is get support action bar dot hide, and here get window dot set flags, and then pass the parameters that I am going to tell you. So layout frames dot layout frames dot window manager layout frames. So window manager dot layout frames dot full flag full screen this, then copy this full code and then write it again. So this will erase all the. So here is our animation. You can see that it loaded successfully and also closes our application. So this was our Android tutorial. Thanks for watching.